And viewers, we're also giving you breaking news amid the US-China trade war. US president has now claimed that China has totally violated its agreement with the United States. He said there was civil unrest in China and factories closed after tariffs were imposed there. Seeing the situation, he made a fast deal to China to save them, but now they have violated the agreement. The big words coming in from the president of the United States, Donald Trump, who now says that it's China that has violated the agreement with the US. And these are words that are coming in. I'm also going to try and say, as Trump is blaming China for the agreement violation. Let me go across to Kruthar joining us live on the story. And he says everyone was happy, but now the agreement has been violated. Let me go across to Akanksha joining us live on the story. Akanksha, once again, we are seeing US-China ties that are being looked at in this manner. It's totally violated the agreement, is what Donald Trump is saying. US-China tariff war has now escalated further.
Well, absolutely. US-China trade war has definitely escalated. Now, this comment that has come from Donald Trump, he has gone on to say that China has now violated the agreement. He said that, in fact, after these tariffs were announced by the United States, the factories in China closed down. There was civil unrest, and this is what Donald Trump has mentioned in the social media post, and that is why he made a deal with China. But now what he's saying is that the bad news is that China, perhaps not surprisingly to some, has totally violated its agreement with us. So much for being a Mr. Nice Guy. This is a statement that has come from Donald Trump. Remember, this comes a day after his Treasury Secretary also said that the trade deal between US and China has been stalled. And a day after that, this is a big comment that has come from US President Donald Trump. He has said that China has violated the terms of the agreement. It remains to be seen what China has to say on this.
All right, thank you for giving us those details. The top focus will continue.